Morning, my name is Budev. I am currently pursuing my BTech degree from Functional School of Technology. I am in my second semester, and in my first semester, we have learned some programming languages like Java, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and we are currently doing some DSA problems. And in this video, I am going to solve a medium level LeetCode problem. So let me share my screen first. So the name of the question is divide array into array with max difference. So we have been given an array nums of size n and a positive integer k. We have to divide the array into one or more integer of size 3 satisfying the following condition. The condition is each element of num should be exactly one array, and the difference between any two elements is any two elements in one array is less than or equal to k. And we have to return a 2D array containing all the arrays. If impossible to satisfy the condition, then we have to return an empty array, and if there are multiple answers, then we have to return any of them. So the first example is we have been given nums of array this, and we have to return in the pair of 3, and the maximum and the smallest. The difference between the maximum and smallest should be smaller than or equal to k. If the maximum and smallest difference will be smaller than or equal to k, then we don't have to worry about the middle one, because the difference between middle one and the greatest will be also smaller than k. So, and if we can do this, like in this question, if we subtract 7 and 3, then it will be 4, which will be greater than k. Then we have to return an empty array. So to solve this, first we have to sort the array by using arrays.sort method. So, and inside it we have to put an array. So this will be able to sort the array, and after that we have to run a loop from 0 to nums.length. The loop will run until the condition is satisfied, and each time the loop runs, the value of ki will be increased by 3. So first the value of I will be 0, then after that 3, after that 6. The value of I, each time the loop runs, the value of I will be increased by 3. And after that we have to apply a condition if nums I plus 2 minus nums I is greater than k, then we have to return an empty array. So this will return an empty array, and if all of the condition will be false, then the difference between the smallest and the largest will be smaller equal to k. So after that we have to make a 2D array, because the return type is 2D array, and we have to return all the array inside a 2D array. So we have to make a 2D array, and the size of the array should be nums.length by 3, because we are dividing it by 3. And each element of the 2D array should be 3 lengths. So we are writing 3 of size, and after that we have to run another loop. To num.length by 3, and the value of I should be increased by 1 each time, and we have to make a variable L equal to 0 because we are going to use it to index our nums, and put array I on one index, nums L. In the first index of the 2D array, and in the first index of the element of the 2D array, we have to put the first index of nums, and after that the value of L will increase by 1, and it will put inside the second index. After that the value of nums will increase by 1, and it will put inside the array of nums in the third. So after this will run, the value of I will increase by 1 each time, and after that we have to return the value of ARR. So this should run. First let me run this. As you can see, it accepted our code, and if we submit it, it also gets submitted and beat 90% of the user with Java. So this is how I solved this. Thank you for watching this video. So the time complexity of that code is n square, and the space complexity of the code is linear. So thank you.